What's up everybody? I'm Stephanie Renee and today I'm going to be doing a summer haul review. So it's all about the bright colors today. I always wear black in my regular life, but it's time, I think it's time to switch it up. So I'm gonna be doing a haul today. I bought a ton of stuff from Lulu's, about $400 worth of stuff. So we're gonna see what's cute, what's not, what we should get, what's a keeper. You guys also, let me know in the notes if you're like, yes girl, please keep that, because I am posting this in real time. So I'm gonna show you guys a little video right here. This is actually the first piece. I figured let's just get right into it. So this is the first piece. So I'm gonna show you a little footage here. Let me know what you guys think. The only thing that I can comment on that I'm thinking so far is it has like this zipper on the side. So it does make it so it's easy to get inside of it, but it is a material that really does feel like silk. So it doesn't have any stretch to it. It does retail for 42 bucks, and I'll have the name of it too. It is called the Spice Up Your Night Rust Orange Satin Twist Front Crop Top Lush. So, and I'll post that, a little thing of everything I bought so you guys can easily search. So it does have a weird feel to it because it doesn't have any stretch, but I do love the color. The color is just as vibrant as we expected it to be. I'm not sure if I should keep it or not, but you guys let me know, and we will check out the next piece. All right, I am back with the second piece, again showing some cute little footage over here of what the dress looks like. So I really like this. I wanted like something really cute and flirty and fun and comfortable and breezy for the summer. This one is called the Sunshine Lime Green Tie Strap Tiered Babydoll Dress. So, and this one retails for $54. Y'all, Lulu's is not cheap. So that part's kind of annoying, but 54 bucks. And I do think I actually do like the color. It's super bright and vibrant, and perfect for like the desert or the beach. So I think it's super cute, but again, you guys let me know what you think. I'll probably keep this one. And I am showing some footage so you guys can see the full body. But okay, so what's next? So let's see, what is this? Oh, okay, yes. So this color, again, this color I think is super complimentary, but it's a nice little cute dress with a little fringe at the bottom. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like, and I'll be back in a sec. Okay guys, so this one is definitely my favorite. Y'all will see a video of me showing it off, so you can see the full body of it. But this one, of course, is the most expensive and naturally the one that I like the most because that's literally who I am. So this one is called the Sunny Festival Light Green Ribbed Knit Fringe Midi Dress, and it retails for $74. So, but I think this is definitely gonna be a keeper. So let's see what's next. But I rate this one 5 stars. Feels really good, great quality, very lightweight. Has the cute little fringe at the bottom, so I love that, and it also fits your body nicely. You don't have to wear a bra with it, but you could because the back is not that low, so that's great too. All right, let's see what's next up. Oh my goodness, so Lulu really brought it with some good color options because I'm not really like a color girl, but you know, I see you, Lulu. Okay, so this is another little cute summery dress. It's like a cutaway, because the cutaway is like a whole thing right now. Ooh, I feel like this one's about to be confusing to put on. So I'll go ahead and throw this one on and be right back. All right, so this is the next one up. I like the fit. I think it's super complimentary. So I'm here for that. I love a little, you know, I think it's a going out dress. It has the little straps in the back. You cannot wear a bra with this one unless you want your bra to show. So that part's kind of unfortunate. It retails for $58, so it's a little bit more pricey. Lulu's is a little more pricey, and the material doesn't feel that quality for $50 in my mind. I would have liked it to be a little thicker, I think, if it was gonna be that price. I do like that it has a little cutout slit. I love the color. It's called the Can't Lose Slate Blue Sleeveless Cutout Lace-Up Mini Dress. So that's the name of it. And I did get it in an extra small, but again, I'm gonna show you guys. At some point during the video, there will be a drop down of my entire receipt so that you can see pricing and sizes. So again, footage to the side of me prancing around, but I like this dress. I don't know if it's giving me $58 worth of like, I don't know. Just cause with the cutout, you know, I don't know if it's really bringing that much to the table. I think it should have been $35. For $35, I would have been here for it. For $58, I'm questioning it. But it also maybe because I have to play with the strings a little bit. But I think this is a good dress for going out, a nice summer night, and the color is super cute. So can't complain. All right, y'all, so let's see what's next. Again, more colors. Oh yeah, this was a cute little tie-up top. Isn't that cute? And it looks like yes bra. So we'll see. I'm gonna try this on and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I am loving this top. This is definitely gonna be a keeper. I even put on a little cute earring to get us seeing the vision. So love, love, love this little cute top. The name of this is the In a Twist Orange Knot Front Cropped Sweater Tank Top. And it is like that sweatery material. Knock it up so you can kind of see it. So this one is $39. So it is like a $40 little tank, but it has really nice stretch, really good fit. And you can wear a strapless bra with it. So that's great because of the back. So I love that. This is definitely something that I'm going to keep. I like it, I know I'm gonna wear it. So a little pricey, Lulu's, you tried it. We'll see what Shein talking about. I am gonna do a Shein haul too for the summer 2022 looks. But I'm not mad, I like this. So let me pull out what's next. All right, so last thing, is that all? I feel like I got more than that. Okay, you guys, I had a color palette this shopping haul for sure. Oh, okay, this is a cute little drop down bodysuit. Y'all know it wouldn't be me if I didn't have a bunch of bodysuits. Like it would not be right. So I'm gonna try that on next. Yeah, and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, well, this concludes our Lulu haul. This is the last piece. It is the Bliss and Tell Rusty Rose Sleeveless Surplus Bodysuit. You know, I love a bodysuit. So I am showing it off, of course. I do like the material. It's very thick and it retails for $34. So it's one of the lesser expensive items. And it is a nice thick quality. So I'll give them that. You can wear a nice strapless bra with it, so that's awesome. I like the thickness of the material. It does feel like quality. The price seems reasonable, $34. Feels about right for something like this. Has a snap at the bottom. 10 out of 10, we love a strap. The color is like this cute little tangerine color, which I'm really, really feeling. So I'm here for that. But all in all, you guys let me know what you think. Please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Do not be a hater. Do not watch this long. Don't do it. Do not watch this long and not like and subscribe. Like, are you here for me or are you not here for me? Okay, so please like and subscribe. And let me know what I should keep. You guys, because I'm going to post this real quick. And you know, Lulu's only has a 10-day return policy. So I need to know stats. So please put that in the comments and let me know what you're liking. Other than that, until next time, I will holler at you guys. Love and light.